Buying car insurance with an independent broker's boss. In an independent broker can provide you with rate quotes for multiple auto insurance companies. Unlike captive agents, a broker's primary allegiance is to the client, not an insurance company. Cons: It's a two-step process. Once a broker has presented option to a client, they hand the information over the insurance companies which complete the transactions. Broker may change a fee for these services. Uh, If you are on a car hold a wild driver license, you will probably need to buy auto insurance before you can hit the road. The easiest way to find coverage you can afford is to get a free auto insurance quotes, or better still, multiple quotes either online or by contacting an insurance company or independent agent. These rate quotes are based on number of factors include your age, where you live, type of vehicles you own, your driver record, and getting services. Auto insurance quotes can help you companies rate and find a policy that fits your need without blowing your budget. If you are shopping for car insurance but unsure of where to start, our best auto insurance company rates can help in it. You will find valuable information about top performance companies across the country, their average rates, and additional tips and information that can guide your search. How to get a free auto insurance quotes? Most companies make it easy to get a free auto insurance quotes either online, over the phone, or by working directly with an insurance broker.